Good morning, good afternoon. This is Sarah Novick, and this is a little bit about me. I am a teacher in the secondary mathematics classroom. I teach at Christiana High School, and I am a member of this cohort. And this is what I've typed up. I'm not perfect. As you can see, I'm fixing a typo. So that's my name, Sarah Novick. A little bit about me. I have two children. There they are. These were both at both holidays. This was the New Year's holiday. We celebrated in COVID isolation, and then we celebrated Hanukkah in isolation, so that's that. And this is me. I am really into fitness and nutrition, and right now I teach in the secondary mathematics classroom, one day hoping to teach in the phys ed or health classroom. This is me. In my dining room, I have hanging up a prior degree I've earned from Wilmington University and my nutrition certification I just earned over the summer. My friends, even though you don't see it in any of these pictures, my friends will make fun of me and tell me that anytime I go to buy a new outfit, I always buy it in pink. I'm looking forward to working with you all again during this class. Good luck. Reach out for support if you need it.